What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Microsoft Outlook 2010 and how to set it up. So if you have Microsoft Outlook 2010 installed on your PC and you would like to know how to set up your email account on here, then this is the video for you. We will be covering everything step by step in great detail so that anyone can follow along with this tutorial. So before we get started, make sure that Microsoft Outlook is installed on your computer. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay guys, once you have installed Microsoft Outlook, you can go to your Start menu, find Microsoft Outlook 2010, and double-click on that icon to open it up. Now what happens is that the very first time you open Microsoft Outlook, it will ask you if you want to set up your account. If it doesn't ask you that, don't worry, it's completely fine. We will show you how to do that as well. So right over here, we can see that Outlook is trying to connect to my account. Now if this is the very first time that you're setting up your account, it will bring you to the screen that you're seeing right now. But if for some reason it doesn't bring you to this screen, don't worry, it's completely fine. All you have to do is go to the File tab on the top left-hand side, and then under Info, you will find this button that says Add Account. Make sure to click on Add Account, and that will bring you to the screen that you're seeing right now. Now the very first thing that we are going to do is select the second option, which is Set up my account manually. That means we will be setting up our account manually. So make sure you click on Next. Okay guys, now you can see that it's asking us to enter in our name, our email address, retip our email address, enter in our password, and retip our password. Basically, this is the auto setup process. It basically tries to set up your email account automatically. In this case, it worked really well because I am using a generic email account. Sometimes it does not work. For example, if you are using a Gmail account, it probably won't work, or if you are using some sort of custom domain, it probably won't work. So in that case, you need to go to the first option, which is Set up my account manually. Don't worry, it's completely fine. It's a very simple process. Alright, once you have entered in your name, your email address, password, retip password, whatever it may be, go ahead and click on Next. Now once you click on Next, it will try to connect to your email account. If the connection is successful, it will say congratulations. If it's not successful, don't worry. It's pretty normal. It happens all the time. What you have to do is simply go back, and then you will have to manually set up your account. So we are going to be doing that right now. Alright guys, we are on the previous screen. Basically, it couldn't automatically set up our account, so now what we need to do is set it up manually. Don't worry, it's a very simple process. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now what we need to do is go to the second option, which is Choose a service not listed, and then click on Next. So go ahead and click on Next. Now it says Choose a service. Right now, it has Internet Email selected, which is completely fine. And then click on Next. Alright guys, on this screen, you can see that it says Internet Email Settings. You will see all of your information right here. Now we need to fill in all of these blanks. First one is your name. For example, mine is John Doe. The next one is your email address. Now, this email address will be the exact same email address that you used when you were signing up for your account. So for me, it's going to be the exact same email address. The third one down is your account type. Now in this case, most likely it will be either POP3 or IMAP. Most email accounts support both POP3 and IMAP. Now if you don't know the difference between POP3 and IMAP, don't worry, it's completely fine. Most people just select IMAP. It basically syncs all of your emails from your phone to your laptop and vice versa. So I prefer IMAP, but you can select whatever you want. So for me, I'm going to select IMAP. Moving on. The fourth blank is Incoming Mail Server. Now, this is the most important one. You need to get this information from your email provider. For example, if you are using Gmail, you will need to get this information from Google. If you are using Yahoo Mail, you will need to get this information from Yahoo. Whoever your email provider is, you will need to get this information from them. I found this information on their website, and this is what it says. For IMAP, you will need to use IMAP, Mail, Yahoo.com. Now that's the information that I'm going to be using. So for you, you will have to search online and find the correct information for your email account. So for me, I'm going to be typing in this information. Moving on to the fifth blank, it says outgoing mail server. This is also known as the SMTP server. Once again, you will need to get this information from your email provider. I found this information on the Yahoo website, and this is what it says. For SMTP, you will need to use SMTP, mail, yahoo.com, so this is what I'm going to be typing in. Guys, once you have filled in your information, go ahead and click on Next. Now once you click on Next, it will test all of your information. If it's correct, it will turn green and you will be able to move on to the next step. Alright guys, you can see that we have some errors. It says it couldn't connect. Don't worry, this is pretty normal. All we need to do is click on the button that says More Settings, so go ahead and click on that button. Okay guys, we are now in the More Settings window. Now the first tab that we are going to be clicking on is the Outgoing Server tab. Now what we need to do is check the box that says My outgoing server SMTP requires authentication. Now usually, it should be automatically checked, but just in case it's not checked, make sure to check it. Now underneath that you can see that it says use the same settings as my incoming mail server. This is also known as the Smart option. Now what it does is it automatically sets up your outgoing mail server to be the same as your incoming mail server. So in this case, I'm going to leave that selected. However, sometimes you will need to change the port number. Now you can see that the port number is 465. Sometimes you will need to change the port number depending on your email provider. So for example, if your email provider says to use port number 587 instead of 465, then you will need to change this number. So basically, you will need to check your email provider's website and see what the port number is. In this case, I am leaving it as 465. Now you can see that it says use the following type of encrypted connection. It says SSL. Sometimes it says TLS instead of SSL. Again, depending on your email provider, you might need to change that. So for me, I'm leaving it as SSL. Now once you have changed all of those settings, go ahead and click on OK. Okay guys, we are back on the previous screen. Now we are going to click on Next. Now this is very important. Now it's testing your email account. It's trying to connect. If everything is correct, it will turn green and you will be able to proceed. Alright guys, so you can see that we have another error. It's saying that the connection couldn't be established. Don't worry, it's pretty normal. All we need to do is click on Close. Okay guys, once you click on Close, it will bring you to the screen that you saw earlier. All you need to do is click on Finish. Alright guys, and that's it. Your email account has been successfully set up in Microsoft Outlook. As you can see, my emails are being downloaded onto Microsoft Outlook. Now if you want to send an email, all you have to do is click on the button that says New Item, then select More Items, then select Email. From there, you can enter in the recipient's email address, subject, body, etc. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on Send. That's how you send an email in Microsoft Outlook. Now if you want to receive emails, all you have to do is wait for your email provider to send you an email. And when they do, you can see that it will be downloaded automatically. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If this video helped you out, please make sure to leave a like below. It helps a lot. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I will try my best to answer every single question. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.